when you begin, okay, just follow the steps without fail. Once you get used to this, you can just skip the steps. But in the beginning, all of you just try to follow, okay. Here what it is, sin x cube. Direct method only we will prefer here. I will teach you both the things and then you can do it. Okay, so first is what? Sin x cube. Sin x cube, what will we say? So sin x cube, what did I say first? You need to check the power. First power and then the function and then the angle, correct? Y equal to sin x cube. See, this power is 1, so I need not worry about it, correct? So I will ignore power. Then what we have to do? We have to differentiate the function. So what is the function here? Function is sine. Sine differentiation is what, ma? Cos. And function inside angle you should not change. Don't write cos x. Sin x cube when it is there, cos x cube only. Then what you have to do? You have to differentiate the angle inside. This is nothing but angle, right? Sin x cube is angle. So x cube you have to differentiate. So what is the differentiation of x cube? X power n differentiation is what? N x power n minus 1. Okay, here it is 3 x power 2, correct? So the answer will be 3 x power 2 cos x cube. Any doubt? Okay. Second is what? Cos cube x. What is the difference between sin x cube and cos x cube? Here in the angle it is cube. Here the cos cube x. So power is there. Power value is what? 3. So first differentiation what we have to do? We have to do the power. So you can write it as cos x the whole cube. You can write it in this way. And you can differentiate if at all if you have doubt. Okay. So now what will happen? First power. That is 3 cos x. Function is cos x only. So 3 cos x the whole square. Correct? Into differentiation of what? The function we have to do. So it is 3 cos square x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. And then differentiation of angle. Angle is x. So directly I can write. But this is what the step is. Okay. So d by dx of x is what? 1. So it is minus 3 cos square x sin x. Any doubt you can tell me. That's why I am going very slow. Beginning you have to follow the steps. Once you accustom, it's okay. Next, y equal to tan of root x. Here the angle has this root. Tan function is not there. So power it is not there. So when I differentiate, what it will be, Sanjana? So here first we will differentiate power. Since power is 1, you will get 1 only. So tan if you differentiate, what you will get, ma? Tan root x. Tan root x, what is the formula? It is secant square. Don't write x. Root x means the function as it is you have to write it. Okay. D by dx of root x. What is d by dx of root x? We have learned. If you know the formula, directly you can write 1 by 2 root x. Otherwise, x power half you write it. Then you apply the power rule, that is 1 by 2 x power half minus 1. So again you will get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root x secant square x. Correct or no? Any doubt? Secant square root x. In this any doubt? No, right? See, there is another one method which I don't recommend, but you can use it if at all if you have a doubt. What is that method? Niraj, see y equal to sin x cube you have. Ma'am, here x cube angle is something different. Then what you can do? You can take x cube as t. Okay, what it is? You can write x cube as t. One more variable you are introducing. Then what will happen? Y will be equal to sin t. It will become what? Sin t. But when you do the differentiation, I told you, the differentiation, see, with respect to x, we are doing differentiation, means y is a function of x. Here, y is a function of t. So, you are differentiating with respect to t. Is that clear, all of you? When y is a function of x, we are differentiating with respect to x. But now is a function of t. Can I differentiate with respect to x here? Is it possible? No, right? So what we have to do? We have to differentiate it with respect to t. So dy by dt is what? Cos t. Correct? Dy by d is cos t. Ma'am, then what will happen to this? That also we need to, because we need to find what? What is given? Find differentiate with respect to x. That means dy by dx only we need to find it. But I have introduced an intermediate variable. So that's why I am getting dy by dt. Then what you have to do here? Here you differentiate with respect to x. X cube, when you differentiate, what will happen? 3x square into dx must be equal to what? Dt. T if you differentiate, t. X if you differentiate, dx. 3x square d. So what is dt by dx? Dt by dx is 3x square. It is simple. See, t equal to x cube. If you differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx is what? 3x square. That's what I have written in this way. Okay. So now what we need? Dy by dx I need. You can write it as what? Dy by dt, ma'am, into dt by dx. So dt cancels. I will get dy by dx. But what is dy by dt? Cos t. Correct. And what is dt by dx? It is 3x square. Correct. So cos t value you substitute. Cos t is cos x cube. Now you got the same answer, yes or no? Yes or no? So this is the second method. But somehow I feel like for me that is convenient. So I always prefer that method. Power, function, angle. Okay. But whenever you feel like you are struggling a lot, that time you go for this method. But make sure when you have a t or some other variable, you need to differentiate with respect to that. Because y has become the function of this and t you are writing it as a function of x. Is it clear? Any doubt till here? We are in the beginning. We have long way to go. Okay. Next is what? The more and more you practice, it will be easy for you. Only practice makes you perfect in calculus. Okay. So what it is? Y equal to ax plus b to the power m. Again, what it will be, ma? Dy by dx, I am differentiating with respect to x. So first power. When I differentiate with power, I will not worry about inside function. I will write as it is. So m into ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Is it done? No, right? Because whenever instead of x function comes, I need to differentiate the function. So d by dx of Akash, it will be ax plus b. So it is m ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Here what it will be? Ax when I differentiate it is a only. B is constant. So when I differentiate it is 0. So it is am into ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Is it clear all of you? Any doubt? So integrated students will feel easy because often you use this integration and differentiation in class 11, correct? But class 12 mathematics students, those who are from CBSE, you have to practice a lot. That's the only difference, okay? That's it. Next, 2x plus. The same way all of you try to do it. I will do it here, okay? But you do it on your own. I will do it slowly. Then you check it, okay? Check the monitor for the answer. If your answer is right, good. If you are not getting it, you just tell me where you are getting stuck. Then I will help you from there, okay? But don't simply say that, no, I am not getting it. I can help you from the step wherever you are getting stuck. From there, I can lead you. So first is what? Dy by dx power. So 5 into 2x plus 3, 5 minus 1. Then the function I have to differentiate. So it is d by dx of 2x plus 3. So 5, 2x plus 3 into 4 into 2 plus 0. So it is 10 into 2x plus 3 to the power 4. Directly you can write this because these are all simple 1 mark sums. Okay. I have written because this is the beginning. So I have to write all the steps. 2 plus 0 like that. What did I say in differentiation? Whatever coefficient of x that will come in the multiplication. Correct? In the result. You need to multiply that. Next is what? Next sum is y equal to under root ax square plus 2bx plus c. So how will you do it? Either you can go with the t method or what is best? First power. What I can write? Shaurya ax square plus 2bx plus c to the power half. Can I write like that? Now once I write it, dy by dx is what, Sanjana? Half into ax square plus 2bx plus c half minus 1. First power I will power differentiate. Then inside function I have to differentiate ax square plus 2bx plus c. So what it will be? Half. This I can half minus 1 is minus half. So what I can do it? 1 by 2 under root ax square plus 2bx plus c. Here differentiation of ax square is what, ma? Try to recollect. X square is what? 2x. Correct? So it will be a into 2x. 2b is a constant. When you differentiate x, it is 1. C is a constant. So when you differentiate it, 0. Because there is no x value over there. So 2x, 2 you can take it outside. X plus b divided by under root ax square plus 2bx plus c. 2 cancels. So here 1 minute, a I left it while writing. Here 2 into ax plus b. So ax plus b divided by under root ax square plus 2bx plus c. Is it clear? This 2 cancels. Is it difficult? So next sum is, okay. Is it done, ma? Next. Here are trigonometric functions. Keep the formula ready. Okay, sheet ready. In the beginning I won't trouble you, but slowly you should memorize it so that the speed you can increase. Okay, otherwise you need to think a lot. Okay, just so sin 3x cos 5x with respect to x only we are differentiating. So what did I say first? It is the product of two functions, correct? So here we have to use product. You can do that. See, differentiation, there are n number of ways you can do it. Okay, and n number of answers you can get it. So book method also I will do it. Different method also we can do it. So first thing is what? I will do it this as what? U as y equal to uv. What is u, ma? U is sin 3x, ma. V is what? Cos 5x. Okay. So what is du, ma? Du by dx is sin 3x. Sin 3x differentiation is what? Cos 3x. Then we have to differentiate 3x. Don't fail it. Okay. Don't forget to do that. So it is 3 cos 3x. Over the period of time you will realize we are just whenever there is a coefficient of x, we simply multiply it. So du by dx is this. And v is this much, means dv by dx is cos function when you differentiate minus sin 5x and differentiation of 5x will give me what? Minus 5 sin 5x. Any doubt? What is the product rule we say? dy by dx is Nandesh u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Correct? What is u? Sin 3x. dv by dx is minus 5 sin 5x plus v is cos 5x. du by dx is what? 3 cos 3x. On simplification, minus 5 sin 3x sin 5x plus 3 cos 5x cos 3x. Is it clear? Any doubt? Here also you can just take minus 2, okay, and then you can keep what? Minus sin 3x sin 5x, okay, how much it will be there? Minus 3, right? This one, see, this one I am going to split. Minus 5 here plus 3 cos 5x. Cos 3x is there, no? Here what I can do? Minus 3 sin 3x sin 5x I can keep. Here minus 2 sin 3x sin 5x I can keep. Correct? So this will become what, ma? Minus 2 sin 3x sin 5x. Here if you do it, 3 if you take it outside. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is it? Cos A plus B. Correct? So cos 8x you will get it. Yes or no? Cos 5x plus 3x cos 8x you will get it. Again you can simplify and do it. Okay? I am not going to do the simplification. You can do it. But the book method also I will teach you where you can use the identity and quickly you can do that. What is the book method? It is very simple. Okay? So Here also you can see, when I simplify that, you will get that answer. Okay, it is not a big deal. You can do the simplification. What is sin A, sin C, sin D formula? Do you remember? Sin C, sin D formula. 2 sin C, sin D formula, what it is, ma? Sin C, Sanjana, sin D formula is what, Kanna? Cos C minus D plus minus cos C plus D. Correct or no? Yes or no? So here what you can write it? Here minus 2 sin 3x sin 5x can be written as what? Here minus you can cos C plus D, that is 8x minus cos, cos C minus D. What it will be? 5x minus 3x is 2x. Correct? Cos 2x. So this one, if you write this one in this answer, so what will happen? Cos 8x minus cos 2x, okay, plus 3 cos 8x. So that will be 4 cos 8x minus cos 2x. Clear all of you? That's why I say always differentiation, integration, you can do it in n number of ways and finally you can arrive at the same solution. Even if you don't arrive at the same solution, it is nothing wrong. Try to present it in the simplified version. That's all you need to do it. So don't compare your answer with other's answer. Clear? So the same answer I can get it with the R.S. Aggarwal book. What they have done, I will do it in that method also. So y equal to sin 3x cos 5x ma. Okay. So now what we need, we know that cos C. That's why you have to be thorough with the trigonometric identity. So cos C, cos D, this is sin D for right? Cos C, sin D formula. Cos C, sin D formula is what more? Sin C, cos D formula is what? It is nothing but, what is the formula? Iraj, Akash. It is 2 cos C sin D if I take it. Then it will be what? Sin C plus D minus sin C minus D. Correct or no? So here I can write this as what? Sin 3x cos 5x can be written as what? 2 means this. If I bring this to this side, it will be 1 by 2. Sin of, okay, 5x, I will take this as A and B. So sin x plus 5x plus 3x minus sin of 5x minus 3x. Correct or no? So it will be sin 8x minus sin 2x. Any doubt? Now you differentiate it. Ma'am, dy by dx, 1 by 2 is common. Each function we can differentiate separately. Correct? So d by dx of sin 8x minus d by dx of sin 2x. Correct? So when I differentiate sin 8x, what I will get? Ma'am, cos 8x. Then when I differentiate 8x, I will get 8. Okay. And then when I differentiate sin 2x, I will get cos 2x. When I differentiate 2x, I will get 2. Is that clear? If it is any difficulty, you have to tell me. So 8 by 2 is 4 cos 8x minus 2 and 2 cancels cos 2x. Compare the steps, number of steps. Here it is simple, right? The moment we use the identity, your steps are reduced to what? 4. Whereas, when I try to do it in this method, what happens? Some more steps, but nothing wrong in it. If you have time, aram say you do it. Okay? Our aim is to get the correct answer. Okay? And within the stipulated time. As long as you are getting the correct answer, you need not worry about your technique. Clear, ma? So, the same way, can all of you do it and tell me? This one, use the identity. Just now I wrote the identity for this. So even if you don't remember, I will write it here. Use the identity and tell me the answer. Okay. So 2 sin C cos sin D. The bigger value you take it as C and the smaller value you take it as D. Okay. So it will be nothing but what? Cos 4x minus 2x. Cos C minus cos D. I will write the formula, you do it. Minus cos C plus D. I will write it here. So once you do it, you verify the answer sincerely. Akash, are you able to follow? Sanjana, Iraj, Tarun, Shaurya, Nandish. Any doubt, tell me, ma. So it is sine 2x, sine 4x must be equal to 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2x minus cos 4x plus 2x. That will give me cos 2x minus cos 6x. Now differentiation is simple. dy by dx is 1 by 2 d by dx of cos 2x minus d by dx of cos 6x. So 1 by 2 cos 2x, when you differentiate, minus. Whenever we differentiate c, we will get minus. So minus sine 2x. When I differentiate 2x, I will get 2. Then here when I do it, don't close the bracket. Here another thing is there. So minus, again cos 6x, when I differentiate minus, you will get, that is sine 6x. And on differentiating 6x, I will get what? 6. So now you can close the bracket. So this will be 2 and 2 cancels. Minus sine 2x on opening the bracket. Here it will be plus 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 sine 6x. So 3 sine 6x minus sine 2x will be my dy by dx value. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt? Using trigonometric identity will give you, okay, advantage. So try to use it, okay? Next, getting the answer. Got the answer or no? I could see Tarun got the answer, I believe. Nandish? Akash?
Yes.
Finished or no, ma? Akash? Shaurya? Tejita is not here. What about Sanjana? Iraj? So 1 minus tan x by 1. Okay, so what we can do it here, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Can I use any formula here? Tell me. Tan A minus B is what, ma? Tan A minus tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. Correct or no? Yes or no? So now what it will be? Here tan, here what it is? 1 I can write it as what? Multiple times I told you. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan A is 1. So tan pi by 4 and tan x. Can I write it like this? So tan pi by 4 minus x is this. This is nothing but what? 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Correct? So tan pi by 4 minus x. So what you can do it? Y equal to under root 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay. Y will be equal to, here what I can do it? Tan pi by 4 minus x. Correct or no? So what this I can do, ma? Power rule, dy by dx 1 by 2, because tan to the power half, right? So tan of pi by 4 minus x to the power minus half. Correct? Half minus 1 is minus half. By this time you should know that. Then d by dx of tan pi by 4 minus x. Correct? Now what it will be? 1 by 2 under root tan pi by 4 minus x. Here, when I differentiate tan function, what you will get? Secant square pi by 4 minus x. But should I stop it there? No. Whenever I differentiate trigonometric function, inside angle also I need to differentiate. Angle is pi by 4 minus x, correct? So now what will happen, ma? Secant square pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 into tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay, here differentiation of pi by 4 is 0, minus x is minus 1. Okay, so this is the value. So what you can write it here? Minus secant square pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 under root tan pi by 4 minus x. Then if you want, you can simplify again. Okay, like what you can write? 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. All these formula you can use and you can differentiate. Ma'am, but I forgot identity. What will I do, ma'am? Okay, that case it is very simple. Okay, we have to follow the regular method. So what it will be? We will go and do that one. If it is completed, tell me. I will do that method. But done. Tarun, focus here. Akash, finished or no? Don't take screenshots. Iraj, you are not seeing the screen.
I'm copying it.
Don't copy it. Do it by yourself.
I did half.
No, you have to. If you want, I will slow down. I have no issues. Done? Shaurya? Same sum. Okay, I am going to do it what? With a different this. Okay, so first thing is what? Here, under root power is also there. Then quotient rule, because f of x by g of x. So two things we have to do it. Okay, so first what it is? See, y equal to under root 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay, you can do it directly, but it will confuse you in the beginning. So what I will do it? I will take 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x as some variable t. Now I will differentiate with respect to. So y will become what? Under root t, correct? So if I differentiate with respect to t, it will be what? 1 by 2 root t, correct? This is done. I need to find out dy by dx only. But dy by dt I found it. But here what I should do? dt by dx I need to find it. That apply the quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Here it is u by v means d by dx of u by v. What will you do, pa? V square. Here in the numerator, v du by dx minus u dv by dx. Correct? I am doing it very slowly, so don't copy. So first when I differentiate the quotient, that is denominator, in the denominator what I have to do? V square. So here what is V, ma? I will write it because we are in the beginning, right? I will write everything and then we can substitute. No urgency. So u is 1 minus tan x. V is 1 plus tan x. Okay? Du by dx. What it is? 1 on differentiating I will get 0 minus tan x differentiation is what? Secant square x. So du by dx is minus secant square x. Okay? V is this. So dv by dx is what? It is 1 is anyhow 0 constant. Tan x is what? Secant square x. Correct? Now substitute in that formula. So dy by dx, in the denominator v square. V square is 1 plus tan x the whole square. V du, correct? V I have written. Du by dx is minus secant square x. Then minus u. What is u? 1 minus tan x, correct? Into dv by dx. That is secant square x. So what I can do, ma? Secant square x, I can take it outside. So on taking that outside, what it will be here? Minus also I can take it outside because both has minus. So it is 1 plus tan x. Okay, plus 1 minus tan x. Because I have taken minus also outside. Okay, divided by 1 plus tan x the whole square. So this tan x minus tan x cancels. So 2 secant square x minus 2 secant square x by 1 plus tan x the whole square. You can leave till here. Is it clear? No, ma'am, I don't want to means you just, but answer is not yet done. Just we have found it what? Here dy by dx. It's with respect to everything I have written in x. It's my bad. Sorry for that. It is u is this. Everything with respect to here till here it is correct, ma'am. I have done it correctly only. T is this u equal to this 1 minus tan x. This we have written, right? But here what should I write here? It is dt by dx I should have written because we are differentiating t with respect to x. Other than that, I have done it correctly. U 1 minus tan x only. Du by dx we have written. V is 1 plus tan x dv by dx. No change in that. But here I cannot write dy by dx, right? Because the function is t. T is a function of x now. So dt by dx is the sum over no. What it is? Dy by dx can be written as what? Dy by dt into dt by dx. So which will give me what? 1 by 2. Dy by dt is 1 by 2. Root t is what, ma? It is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus, what is that? 1 plus tan x? 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into dt by dx is minus 2 secant square x plus 1 plus tan x the whole square. So 2 cancels here. Okay. 2 and 2 cancels here. So minus secant square x. This goes to the numerator. And here this comes to the 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x square. So 1 plus tan x, how can you reduce? This is 1 by 2, this is 2. So power, if you do that, 1 minus tan x, root 2 I can, root I can write it as 1 by 2. Here 1 plus tan x, 2 minus half. What it is? 3 by 2. Is that clear, ma? Whatever method it is convenient, you use it. But do it properly without changing the identities and others. If you need time, I will give you, don't copy. You do it by yourself. Max, you can excel only when you do it. Okay, teachers part is only 20%. Okay, so here and there we can help. The techniques we can teach or the concepts, this is how you can approach the sum. Everything we can do it, but only with practice you can excel in maths. If you simply copy now, then in exam you will be in trouble. Done or no? Okay. So next again trigonometric functions. Today we will do all these sums only. Then we can go to the implicit functions. Tomorrow we can start with implicit functions. Then next sum. Yeah, do it along with me and do it by yourself. If you have doubt, ask me, but don't copy. So y equal to cos square. Yes, pa.
In the previous question, can you explain the last three steps? After last two. After that, minus secant square x root 1 plus tan x divided by root 1 minus tan
minus 2
x.
secant square x by 1 plus tan x the whole square, right? But that is dt by dx. What we need to find out? Dy by dx we need to find out, correct? Our duty is to find out differentiating with respect to x. but I introduced a variable t. Okay. So what it is? dy by dt into dt by dx. Can I write? So already we found dy by dt in the first step. dy by dt is 1 by 2 root t. Correct? What is root t? T is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So root t value you can substitute here. That's what I have done. I have done the substitution in this case. Okay, next part is what? dt by dx, we found it here. Correct? So I substituted here. So when I substitute both the things, what happens? This will go to the numerator 1 plus tan x because this is a common divisor and here it is there. So the root will go there. Even otherwise what you can bring it this side. I will do it in red ink. See here that part alone. 1 plus tan x the whole square. This root 2 you can bring it here. 1 plus tan x to the power half. Correct? Here 1 minus tan x to the power half will be there. So this is 1 minus tan x to the power half. Here what it will be? 1 plus tan x, 2 minus half. Correct or no? Same values. So 2 minus half. 2 minus half is what? 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So it will be 1 plus tan x to the power 1 by 2 tan x 1 minus, right? This one. Sorry for the confusion. Let me write it. It is 1 minus tan x to the power 1 by 2. 1 plus tan x to the power 3 by 2. Correct? I have not written the secant square x. If you want, you can bring the secant square x and write it here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one? Y equal to cos square x square. So power is there, function is there, angle is there. All the three are there. So first what I have to do? Power. Ma'am, what is the power? Remember, this is your power. Cos square, not x square. X square is angle. Okay. So cos square. So cos is our first power. Power is what? 2. So 2 cos x square. Correct? Angle is x square. So 2 cos x square. Then what we have to do? We have to differentiate cos x square. That is the function, right? Now, 2 cos x square. Differentiation of cos is what? Minus sin x. Here the function is x square, so I have to write as it is. Then differentiation of angle. So x square. So 2 cos x square minus you bring it to the front side. So it is, see here I am placing the multiplication dot symbol. So you need to be clear. So differentiation of x square is what? 2x. So minus 4x cos x square sin x square. Not sin square x, sin x square. Any doubt? If you do step by step, you will never go wrong. Is that clear, ma? Is it difficult? Should I go for the intermediate variable? Akash, are you fine with this? Do you need to go for intermediate variable? No, right? Power, function, angle. Step by step, you do it. Clear? Next sum. Sanjana, is that clear or no? Next. This one. Again, sine. Sine of cos. Here, angle itself is a function, trigonometric function. Correct? So, angle itself is a, first what we have to do? Power. Power is what? 1. Correct? Sine. Only sine is there. So, what it will be? dy by dx is d by, for power is not there. So, first differentiation of sine function. Sine of cos x square. I don't mind what is inside the angle. First, my duty is to differentiate what? First sine. That means it is cos of whatever inside I have to write as it is. Don't think that, ma'am, I have to write x. No. Cos x square comes means that only you have to write it. Then differentiation is what? Angle. Angle is cos x square. See, angle itself is a function, trigonometric function. Now again go back and do the same method. Follow the same method. Here first cos. That I need to differentiate. So what is the differentiation of cos? It is sin x square. Then again I have to differentiate what? Angle. Angle is x square. So cos of cos x square minus sin x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So it is minus 2x sine x square cos of cos x square. So you are able to identify each term, right? Any difficulty? If it is there, please tell me, because this is the beginning. Okay. If you are able to do it, it's good. Clear, ma? Next one. Okay. One CBSE question, shall we do it? And then, okay, let me finish this sum also. Then we can go for the CBSE question. This one, okay? You do what? Okay, here. Okay, this is also straightforward method. I am going to do it. Otherwise, we can use intermediate one variable. Nothing wrong in using that. You have to just be careful with what you are differentiating. That's it. Okay. When I do it directly, what it will be, Akash? Dy by dx is d by dx of sine. Okay, sine is my function and there is no power for sine, but angle is what? Under root sine x plus cos x. So I will ignore the angle in the beginning. Only I will differentiate what? Sine. When I differentiate sine, it will give me cos. Inside whatever it is there, I need to write as it is. Should I change it? No. I have to write as it is. Then what is my duty? I have to differentiate the angle with respect to x. Angle is what? Under root sine x plus cos x. Any difficulty? First is function, then we are differentiating angle. So cos of under root sin x plus cos x dot, here again power is there, right? Even though it is a composite sin x plus cos x, but above that it is power is there, half. So first power I have to differentiate. Yes or no, son? Sin x plus cos x is the function, half minus 1. Then function I have to differentiate sin x plus cos x. Okay, so it is 1 by 2 cos of under root sin x plus cos x into, here this will come to the denominator because minus half, under root sin x plus cos x. Immediately don't cancel it, ma'am, because this is cos of angle. Okay, this is simply under root sin x plus cos x. Here on differentiation of sin x, you will get cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So in the numerator, you will get this value. Denominator, this is the value. That's all the answer is. Is it clear? Within 4 steps, you got that. No, ma'am, I am not at all comfortable with this method. What you have to do? First, take angle. Angle is what? Sin x under root sin x plus cos x. That you have to consider it as what? Root t. Correct? Clear? So now this is your root. So y will be equal to what? Cos of, sorry, sin t. Correct or no? Then you can follow the differentiation. You try. If you get the answer, good. If you can follow this technique, it is well and good, but no compulsion. If you want to use intermediate variable, that also you can do. But let me know it openly, okay? Just express it so that I can help you in a proper way. Is it clear, all of you? Shall we do one CBSE sum and then I will give you exercise. All of you should do it. I will just check the answers alone. Clear? So now what it is? After that, I will keep quiet. All of you are going to help me and I will find it out. So y equal to, see, this is what given. Okay. Now first in the denominator, from the denominator, what I will do it, 1 minus x square to the power of minus 1 by 3. Cube root, right? So it is in the denominator. So when I bring it to the numerator, minus 1 by 3. Correct? Then it is sine square 2x plus 3. So you can take it as what? Y equal to u plus v. So first I will use u. U is 5x into 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 3. Correct? Directly you can do it. This and all not necessary. But since we are in the beginning, I am doing it. Otherwise, straightforward product rule, you can use it and do it. So du by dx is what? My first product rule. 5 is common. X I will keep it as constant. So when I differentiate this, minus 1 by 3, 1 minus x square, minus 1 by 3 minus 1, d by dx of 1 minus x square. Any doubt you should tell me. Then next step, 5 into 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 3, I will keep it as constant. Differentiate x. So this is 5, you can simplify it. What it will be? Minus 5x by 3 into here what it will be 1 minus x square to the power, if I take 3 as the LCM, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 3 into 1 is a constant, x square differentiation is what? Minus 2x, minus x square, so minus 2x. So here it is differentiation of x is x. So 5 into 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 3 will be there. Okay. So what and all you can take it outside, you can take it or you just keep it as it is. So this will be plus 10x square, okay, divided by 3 into 1 minus x square to the power 4 by 3 plus 5 divided 5 upon 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 3. Is it clear? Any doubt you tell me, I will clarify. Du by dx, this one is, I will write v in terms of in blue color. So v is what? Sine square 2x plus 3. dv by dx is what? First power. So 2 sine of 2x plus 3. Sine power 1 I should write it, power, but sine I will write. And differentiation of what? Sine 2x plus 3. Correct? 2 sine 2x plus 3. Differentiation of sine x plus 3 is what might is? First you have to differentiate sine 2x. So sine 2x differentiation is cos 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. And 3 is 0. That is constant, so it is 0. So what it will be? 4 cos 2x sine 2x plus 3. Correct? So what it is? You can keep this 2 into 2 only because it will help me. Why? Sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. Right? Here theta is 2x plus 3. 1 minute. Here see I just cos 2. I have to write the function as it is. Here when I differentiated sine 2x as it is I have. Sine 2x plus 3 is a whole thing. The angle. Okay? So when you write the brackets, be careful. That's where I went wrong. See here, sine of 2x plus 3. So I have to differentiate as a whole. Now it is correct. Okay. So 2 cos 2x, this will become what? 2 into sine of 2 into 2x plus 3. So which is nothing but sine 4x plus 6. Correct? So this is equation number 1. This is dv by dx. It is equation number 2. Okay. So dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. So it is, write the answer as it is. 1 minute, yeah, 10. So 10 x square by 3 into 1 minus x square to the power 4 by 3 plus 5 upon 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 sine 4x plus 6. Enough. This much is clear, all of you. So next all of you start doing the exercise.